Hi guys, welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. Once again, we're coming with a wonderful recipe, and it's a zucchini carrot bread. Um, it's a wonderful way to get your to eat your vegetables with a sweet treat within within the vegetables coming with a sweet treat. Now it's the zucchini carrot bread, and it will have a nice crust on the outside and on the top, and it's going to be delicious. So let's go to the ingredients. We'll put our wet ingredients together in a mixer, and we'll go from there. So here we have our wet ingredients. We have some oil, 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs. We're going to include our sugar in there so that it will melt. I have a half a cup of brown sugar and a cup and a half of white sugar, or you can do vice versa if you care to. And I have some mixed spice here. This is going to go in with the flour. But right now, and I have some almond essence. So right now we're going to get our wet ingredients in. We pour our eggs in there. Get 1 cup of oil. Get it all in there. We're going to combine our sugars. And the essence. Maybe a tablespoon. I like that fragrance. And here we're going to attach our whisk attachment and turn this on and let it go for about 5 minutes. So while our wet ingredients are working over here, we'll put together our dry ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, balance everything out, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of, that was baking soda, sorry. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder, yeah. Okay. And we can give this a whisk. Give this a whisk to incorporate everything. And what I would usually do, see, I have 2 cups of zucchini here, and 1 cup of carrots. I figured that ratio is usually good because I don't want it all over too much carrots in there. I just want specks of carrot, just to brighten it up and to get that flavor. So, but I like to coat the zucchini and the carrots in the flour. I like to coat them with the flour. So I just mix this in, mix it all in, or you can go in with your hands. You know, you always have to have impeccably clean hands when you're cooking. So go in with your hands and just make sure all the strands are coated with some flour. You see? Yeah. Well, it's all separated and it's not clunking out. It's not. It's all separated nicely. Right, and it's all coated. So now we're ready to merge our dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So let's make some space. And also your spices, don't forget your spices. This is a mixed spice, and I always like a strong amount of nutmeg, so I'm going to put a little nutmeg in there. Okay, I was using my grater earlier. Oh, here it is. So I'll just grate some fresh nutmeg along with the mixed spice. I already have some cinnamon in there. Okay. Give this a toss again. Mix it all in. And we'll incorporate slowly our dry ingredients. I have my bowl around here. I'm just going to slowly drop my dry ingredients in here and get it all incorporated. Great. Now, your nuts are optional. You can either use some pecans or you can use some walnuts. I have some pecans which I'm going to fold in there. I think this is nicely mixed in here. Yeah, nicely mixed in. See the lovely, I like the color that it produces. Get it all off of this. Cool. Just give it a stir. Get the nuts. I have about a cup. It's a cup of pecans. I smashed them a little. I'll just fold these in. You can put as little or as much as you want. Maybe put a little more, like a half a cup. Yeah, it's going to be a nutty zucchini bread. Okay, so this is usually going to give you 2 loaf pans. So we're going to get 2 loaf pans prepared, and we'll pour them off and put them in the oven. Okay, we just got some cooking spray. Now we're going to prep these pans. Give it a spray out. Cool. And you fill it maybe 3/4 way up. Okay. This one has a little more than that one. I'm an equal opportunity guy. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think they're pretty even. Yes, they are. I'm seeing things. So into the oven at 325. 40 to 60 minutes. Into the oven, 325 for 40 to 60 minutes. Okay, so let's get them in the oven. My oven was preheating already at 350, so I just dropped it to 325 because I was doing a bunch of baking today, and most of the recipes are called for 350, but it's 325, 40 to 60 minutes. We'll be back to see the finished product, and maybe in 40 minutes you can check it to see how done it is. You put a toothpick in there. If it comes out clean, well then you're good. 40 minutes, depending on your oven. 45 minutes, maybe 50, but anywhere between 40 and 60, it's going to be done. Okay, so just check it after 40 minutes, and if it's done, well then your oven is a real good one. And if it takes longer, well then yeah, some ovens are slower than some. So we'll be back in 40.